Ready to discover what happens when woodworking tools go from pretty good to where have you been all my life? Today, we're showcasing 10 of the coolest Woodpeckers tools that will transform the way you work. Let's dive in. Woodpeckers brought back the 12-in-1 tool, inspired by a design from 1927. It's compact, clever, and replaces a variety of tools you'd normally grab, like a T-square, tri-square, bevel gauge, compass, and more. Featuring 2 stainless steel scales connected by a thumb wheel, it lets you set it precisely to your needs. Whether marking, measuring, or transferring angles, this tool covers it all. It's perfect for layout cuts, checking corners, measuring diameters, and finding center points. With laser-engraved markings, CNC machined parts, and a solid, reliable build, every detail is spot on. Made in the USA, it's built to last. If precision and ease are what you're after, this tool is a no-brainer. Small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to replace a drawer full of tools. Pushing and pulling a router across a large slab can be tough on your back. We've all been there. That's why the Woodpeckers Easy Drive system is a game changer. Compatible with any Woodpeckers slab flattening mill, old or new, and available bundled with the Slab Flattening Mill Pro, it uses cogged belts to move the router carriage smoothly and precisely. Instead of physically pushing and pulling, you simply turn 2 hand cranks. One moves the carriage across the slab, the other along its length. This results in consistent, controlled movement, reducing effort and fatigue while improving accuracy. Easy Drive lets you get more done comfortably, maintaining perfect passes across large surfaces. If you flatten big slabs often or want a more efficient workflow, upgrading to Easy Drive is well worth it. And once you try it, going back to manual operation feels like a step backward. Most times, all you need are a few quick cuts with a small saw, like cleaning up a notch or flush cutting a dowel, and dragging out the jigsaw just isn't worth it. That's where the Jigsaw Blade handle shines. This simple tool grips any standard jigsaw blade, turning it into a handy cordless handsaw with no batteries or cords required. Perfect for trimming tenons, cleaning up slots, or cutting dovetail waste. It's ready in seconds and light enough to keep in your apron pocket. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum with a stainless steel blade holder, it feels solid, precise, and comfortable in your hand. Finished in classic Woodpeckers red, this small tool is a smart, efficient way to save time and effort, whether you're mid-build or just making quick touch-ups. Struggling with pen blanks that refuse to trim square? The Penmill CI is your solution. Simply slide it on and it effortlessly slices both ends perfectly flush. It handles even the toughest woods like lignum vitae with smooth, precise cuts, delivering clean, accurate ends ready for turning. Its secret lies in nano-grain carbide inserts, each with 4 razor-sharp edges that you can rotate when dull. No need to sharpen, no downtime. Featuring a larger cutting head than most, it cleans the entire face of a 1/4-inch blank without leaving a halo. Inside, the fluted reamers remove glue residue and burrs, ensuring straight, square cuts every time. With 12 size options, it fits nearly every pen kit. For clean, square starts on your pen projects, the Penmill CI is an essential shop tool. Looking for a safer, easier way to make short, repeatable crosscuts? The new Woodpeckers Add an Inch block is a simple upgrade that delivers big benefits. You clamp it to your rip fence ahead of the blade, creating an offset that prevents cut pieces from getting trapped between the blade and fence, making your setup safer from the start. The clever twist? The block is exactly 1 inch thick, so when setting your rip fence, just add an inch to your measurement, and you're perfectly dialed in. This makes batching identical cuts quick and hassle-free without measuring each time. Made from solid aircraft-grade aluminum, anodized in Woodpecker's signature red, it works with standard track clamps or mounts directly to the super track on your fence. Strong, precise, and ready to go. If you value safe, consistent cuts without extra fuss, the Add an Inch block is a smart addition to your shop. Saw blades can be expensive, and their carbide teeth are extremely brittle when not mounted on a saw, so protecting them during storage is crucial. That's where Woodpecker's Blade Saver comes in. A wraparound blade guard that shields every tooth while doubling as a hanger. The best part? You never have to touch the sharp blade edge to use it. Simply lay the blade flat, snap the blade saver around the rim, latch the master link, and hang it up. Its design, like a flexible bike chain, locks securely around the blade, keeping it safe and easy to access whether hung on a pegboard, cabinet door, or shop wall. Because it fits snugly, there's no metal-on-metal contact or dulling over time. Made from tough ABS plastic, Blade Saver is built to last for years and comes in two sizes, 10-inch and 12-inch, covering both job site and cabinet saw blades. For anyone serious about keeping their cutting tools sharp and safe, Blade Saver is an essential addition to the shop. Finding it tricky to get your saw angles just right? The Polygauge SS has you covered with 5 precise angles milled into solid stainless steel. Unlike adjustable gauges, it's fixed and reliable, designed to set machines correctly on the first try. Simply place it flat on your table for a stable, wobble-free reference. Every time, its edges stand just over a 1/4 inch above the surface, avoiding issues with table inserts or rounded edges. Need to bevel a blade or adjust a joint or fence? Remove the magnetic knob and stand the gauge upright for hands-on setup. If you've been struggling with inconsistent angled cuts, the Polygauge SS offers a straightforward, accurate solution. Constantly building new jigs for every project can get old fast. The Joinery Sled is designed to change that, working seamlessly on both router tables and table saws with an impressively stable setup. It offers extensive adjustability, angle, position, and clamping tailored to your needs. The work table glides smoothly and remains perfectly square thanks to 4 concealed bearings and an intelligently designed sliding base. Micro adjustment lets you shift the table by the tiniest amounts, ensuring your joinery cuts land exactly where you want them to. Even if your miter slots are a little worn, the patented spring-loaded miter bar keeps everything fitting snug. With an adjustable range from 44 to 91 degrees, the sled handles angled cuts, half-laps, sliding dovetails, and even castle joints. Included pivot clamps, a sacrificial fence, and a racket for storage round out the package. Whether you're at a table saw or router table, this sled makes precise, quick, and user-friendly joinery work simple. Looking to achieve crisp edges or perfectly tight joints? Ultra-Shear chamfer bits are up to the task. Available in 4 distinct angles, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 60 degrees. These bits give you plenty of design options beyond the basics. They let you add unique flair or create ideal miter joints for projects like triangle, square, hex, or octagon-shaped boxes. While excellent on a router table, they're just as handy for handheld work on larger pieces. When your boards are cut square and matched in length, these bits deliver flawless, precise miter joints. No need to tinker with saw angles. Choose the 2 flute bits for a more budget-friendly, highly capable option, or go with 3 flute bits for an even smoother finish and increased speed. For thick material up to 1/4 inch, opt for a 1/2 inch shank. For thinner stock, there's also a 1/4 inch shank version, including an extra 67.5 degrees choice for more creative options. These bits are sharp, versatile, and built to deliver quality results every time. Angles can look great, but getting them just right is often the tricky part. That's exactly why the Woodpeckers drill press Protractor exists. It takes the guesswork out of angled setups, especially when working on splayed legs, angled joinery, or adding character to your projects. Featuring a vernier scale, it lets you lock in angles with precision down to 5 minutes of a degree. One side displays degrees and minutes, the other offers 1/4 degree increments, letting you choose the best option for your task. Simply insert it into your drill press chuck, lower the quill to the table, align the angle, and you're set. Returning to square is just as easy. Set it to 0, realign the table, and you're done. Beyond drill presses, this tool is useful on bandsaw tables, miter gauges, or even for hand-cut joinery setups with a bevel gauge. Made from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, it's built tough, reliable, and straightforward to use. That wraps up our look at 10 great woodworking tools from Woodpeckers. Which one caught your eye as the most useful? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for the latest tool news and reviews.